Someone's in your car right now and you'd have no idea. Today, I'm covering 12 car gadgets on Amazon that actually solve real problems, including that one. Let's go. We've got a camera that streams live video to your phone from anywhere in the world, a $33 device that could save your life on the highway, and a scanner that basically replaces a mechanic's diagnostic tool for one payment, no subscription. I'm starting with the one I'd spend money on first. Number 1 for LTE Dual Dash Cam. Most dash cams are built around one assumption, that you'll be there to pull the memory card after something goes wrong. This one is built around the opposite assumption. It runs on a 4G LTE cellular connection. So whether you're at work or 1,000 miles away, you open one app and you're looking at a live feed of your car in real time. 2 lenses, a 155-degree wide angle out front, and a 180-degree cabin camera covering the full interior. Night vision kicks in automatically. Here's what makes this different from every standard dash cam. Parking mode. When the engine shuts off, it goes into sleep mode, barely touches the battery. The moment someone bumps your car or walks too close to the window, radar sensors wake it up instantly. It records, uploads the clip to the cloud so it can't be stolen along with the memory card, and sends an alert straight to your phone. It also doubles as a GPS tracker. You can pull up exact location and full route history. That's genuinely useful if you've got a teen driver or manage more than one vehicle. Hardware is $110. It does need a monthly data plan to keep the remote streaming and cloud alerts running, same as any cellular device. But as a full vehicle security system, it fills a gap that nothing else on this list touches. Number 2, Universal GPS Heads-Up Display. Every time you glance down at your speedometer, your eyes leave the road for 1 to 2 full seconds. Do that enough times and the math gets ugly. This is a GPS heads-up display. It projects your speed directly onto your windshield right in your line of sight. No wiring, no OBD connection. Plug it into a USB port, mount it on the dash, and it pulls speed data from GPS and satellite signals so it works in any car, even electric vehicles. The display auto dims at night, there's a speed alert you can set yourself, and after 4 hours of driving, a fatigue reminder sounds. For $33, it makes any older dashboard feel like it's from this decade. Number 3, Auto-Vox Solar Wireless Backup Camera. If you've ever tried to back a trailer into a campsite alone, at night, you know exactly what this product is solving. The Auto-Vox is a fully wireless backup camera system, 0 wires run through the vehicle, 2 1080p cameras with built-in solar panels, one for the truck, one you can move between a camper, boat trailer, or horse trailer using magnetic mounting. Wireless signal holds stable up to 500 feet, more than enough for any fifth wheel. A 7.2-inch monitor sits on your dash, running split screen from both cameras. Plug it into the cigarette lighter. When it gets dark, both cameras switch to infrared night vision automatically. Drop in a memory card, and the whole thing doubles as a dash cam. $220 for something that used to require a professional installation and hours of routing cables. That math is easy. Those are the top 3. But the next one, number 4, is something that sounds boring until the day your car is rolling somewhere you never put it. Stick around. Number 4, Vicseed Vacuum Magnetic Phone Mount. Phone mounts fail in 2 ways. The suction cup melts off in summer heat, or the magnet gives up the first time you hit a pothole. The Vicseed addresses both. The base uses a 4-layer nanogel pad with a mechanical vacuum twist lock. It creates an airtight seal that holds through extreme temperatures, whether on your windshield or a flat section of your dash. The mounting face has 20 neodymium magnets in a dual ring layout, which gives it twice the grip of a standard magnetic mount. Zinc alloy arm, 360-degree rotating base, folds nearly flat when not in use. Works with MagSafe iPhones out of the box. Comes with adhesive rings for Android. One note, it needs a smooth flat surface to seal if your dash is textured or suede. Use the included adhesive base plate. Number 5, Fanttik X9 Apex Tire Inflator. A flat tire at 11 p.m. in the rain is a very specific kind of awful. This is what makes it not awful. The Fanttik X9 Apex is a cordless handheld air compressor. It tops off a standard car tire 28 to 33 psi in 35 seconds flat. The battery holds enough charge for 27 tires on a single fill-up, even if it's been sitting in your trunk for months. Set your target pressure, connect the hose, hit go. It shuts off automatically when it hits your number, no overinflating. The base has a hidden storage compartment for nozzle attachments. The charging cable doubles as a carry strap. It also works as a power bank to charge your phone off the grid and has a built-in LED flashlight plus an emergency strobe for visibility on the shoulder. $80. This earns its spot in your trunk the one day you need it. Number 6. Kalos Pad 9-inch dashboard touchscreen. If your car doesn't have CarPlay or Android Auto, you don't need a new car, you need this. The Kalos Pad is a 9-inch touchscreen that mounts on your dash and adds full wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for $136. It draws power from USB-C or your cigarette lighter, connects to your phone wirelessly over Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and loads Google Maps, Waze, and hands-free voice control. Audio goes through your existing speakers via FM broadcast, aux, Bluetooth, or the unit's own speaker. The kit includes a backup camera that pops up automatically in reverse. A built-in G sensor locks footage during a collision so it's never overwritten. No dashboard modification required. Not one factory part touched. 6 down, 6 to go, and I'm saving the one that can literally save you hundreds of dollars on car repairs for near the end. If you own a car, don't skip that one. Number 7. Vanone Flush Mount 12-volt USB outlet. This is the cheapest fix on the list for one of the most annoying problems in any car, that plastic phone charger adapter that wobbles loose every time you hit a bump. The Vanone is a flush mount permanent replacement. You drill one hole 1 inch and 1/8 and it installs into your panel. The kit comes fully pre-wired with the harness, terminal rings, and 3 safety fuses. Under 30 minutes total. 4 ports once it's in, 2 USB-C with power delivery, and 2 USB-A with quick charge. All 4 fast charge at full speed simultaneously. It has a physical power switch to cut battery drain completely when the car sits. Works on boats, motorcycles, and ATVs too. $20 for a clean permanent solution. Number 8. Coverado rear seat center console. Every road trip, the back seat becomes a pile of cables, snacks, and whatever else people throw in. If your car didn't come with a rear armrest, the Coverado drops in and fixes this without drilling a single hole. A dedicated phone mount on top, 2 deep cup holders, and a large divided storage vault underneath. The exterior is thick faux leather cushioned armrest for passengers, fully waterproof so spills wipe straight off. 4 locking chucks and heavy-duty hook and loop anchor it to the seat. Won't shift, won't become a projectile in a hard stop. Fits most truck, SUV, and sedan rear benches. $150 for a back seat that finally works like one. Number 9. Ottocast Mini Core Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Plugging your phone in every time you sit down wears out the cable, wears out the port, and is genuinely unnecessary at this point. The Ottocast Mini Core converts your car's existing wired CarPlay or Android Auto into wireless. One-time setup, plug the dongle into your factory USB port, pair once over Bluetooth. Every drive after that, it auto-connects in 5 to 8 seconds from engine start. You never touch the cable again. It runs Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4 faster and more efficient than the previous standard on both the 2.4 and 5 GHz bands. Your steering wheel buttons, dashboard dials, Siri, and Google Assistant all work exactly as before. If 2 people share the car, 1 button on the dongle switches between devices, no diving into settings. Works with 98% of cars that have factory-wired CarPlay or Android Auto. Not compatible with BMW or Tesla and won't run Netflix or YouTube, but for navigation and music, it's the cleanest solution in this category. Number 10. Retractable Headrest Phone Charger. First thing every rear passenger asks for is a charger. The cleanest answer is this. It mounts directly onto the headrest post, no installation, no tools. 2 retractable cables, 1 MagSafe for iPhones, 1 USB-C for Android and laptops. The USB-C delivers up to 65 watts, which is enough to fast charge a MacBook alongside a phone. Cables pull out when needed, snap back inside the housing when they're done. If you drive for a rideshare service, this is a 5-star amenity that costs $30. It draws power from your cigarette lighter port and keeps every cable off your center console entirely. 2 left, and number 11 is the one I promised you. The next time a check engine light comes on, you'll want this before you call anyone. Number 11, Mucar 682 AI Bidirectional Scanner. A check engine light comes on. You go to AutoZone, they plug in a basic reader, and it hands you a code like P0420 with zero context. You're left Googling in a parking lot, hoping you're not about to spend $2,000. The Mucar 682 is a completely different category of tool. It's a full system bidirectional scanner with a 6.2-inch touchscreen, auto VIN that reads your car's make and model the second you plug it in, and a complete scan across every system engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, climate control. The built-in AI doesn't just throw a code at you. Tap any fault code and it gives you the root cause, the most likely parts involved, and what fixing it actually involves, like having a mechanic explain it in plain language right there. Bidirectional control means you can manually activate components' fuel pumps, window motors to test whether they're actually working. It comes loaded with over 20 reset and calibration services built in: oil life, ABS brake bleeding, steering angle, fuel injectors, and more. The pricing model is the real story here. Most professional scanners lock you into annual software subscriptions that cost hundreds a year just to stay current. This one, lifetime free updates, one payment. It covers over 150 vehicle brands globally. Check the current Amazon price before buying. It fluctuates. But at any price in the $200 to $300 range, this is a tool that pays for itself the first time you use it instead of paying a shop just for a diagnostic fee. Number 12, STKR Garage Parking Sensor. Last one, and it solves a problem that happens every single day for a lot of people inching a car into a tight garage and guessing whether you've gone too far. The STKR uses ultrasonic distance sensing. As you pull in, green light means keep going, yellow means slow down, red means stop. You've hit your exact position. Works like a traffic light. Setup is one time. Park where you want, press the set button, done. The sensor locks that position into memory. Stop zone is adjustable anywhere from 6 inches to 6 feet from the sensor. Stick it to the wall at bumper height with the included adhesive tape, no tools, under 2 minutes. Runs on 4 AA batteries or plugs into any USB outlet for continuous power. $40. Every stressful inch becomes automatic. That's all 12. All the Amazon links are in the description, but check prices before you order because they change constantly. If I had to pick one right now, the 4G dash cam for security, the Mucar scanner if you're a car person, and the STKR sensor if that garage is driving you insane every morning. Drop a comment. Which one are you actually going to buy?